Hey guys, I am on today real quick to share, well, probably not quick because this is a full box. A subby sent to me, Nikki, and Nikki, I appreciate it so much. She sent such a nice package. It's heavy. I cut our addresses off, so I'm really bad about something flipping and showing. But before I start, I hope you don't mind, Nikki, I'm going to share. I got this recently at that garage sale, paper crafting garage sale. Oh my gosh. And I made this for my sister. So these are the ladies. Oh my gosh, aren't they a hoot? Look at them eating their cake. And here she is, so it's catching on fire. And then I had done this, it's a stamp, and I put it on this paper a while back. So I used that and put it on a 5x7 card and outlined it in black glitter. And then you light the candles, I'll get the fire extinguisher. Happy birthday. So I thought she would like that. All right. So let's see what she sent me. Oh my gosh. Such talent. You guys are so sweet. Oh, look at this. Oh my gosh. This is gorgeous. That is so sweet. I love how you colored it in. Is that watercolor or chalk? Wow. Very nicely done. And look at the flowers. I have it up higher, so I'm hoping I stay in frame. Oh, and she left it blank so I can use it. I don't know if I want to share it with anybody, but thank you. And simply put, oh, this is cute. Oh my gosh. Oh, this is really cute. Look at this. Journaling cards. And these are Doodle Bug. Ooh, baby. Oh, look at the airplane. Oh my gosh, these are so cute. 2013 family. Oh, I love that. 4th of July. Oh, I love that. Paisley type. Independence Day. Oh, these are so cute. Thank you, honey. Independence Day. Oh, this is awesome. I love it. Look at this. Good times. I'll put this in my 4th of July stash. All right. I don't want to lose this stuff. Okay. Oh, look at this washi. I don't think I have this one. That is so cute. Teal and hearts. Doesn't get any better than that. And then she had mentioned in her note to me that she did a tag. Oh, look at the Prima girl. Oh my gosh. I get to build my own tag. Look at that. Oh, she's adorables. And here's the sample. She had taken a class, she said in her note. Oh my gosh. Definitely. I'm keeping that out. I'm going to do that right away. That is adorables. Okay. What else is in here? Oh my gosh. More goodies. Oh, look at the lace. Oh. Ribbon. Look at this gorgeous flower. You are so sweet to send all this to me. Oh, look at this. Gorgeous. Oh my gosh. I'm loving it. Thank you, honey. Oh, you stuffed this thing. So she got me another unit. And that's okay, because like I said, I went out looking for it the other day, and I cannot find it. So thank you. And that way I can have when I do, because it'll show up. It's not like it's not in my house somewhere. But anyway, so one for her to read and one for her to have a mini album. So that's perfect. Oh my gosh. Winnie the Pooh. Oh, look at him. This is an old one. Wow, this is cool. Wow, really cool. Walt Disney's Winnie the Pooh. Copyright 1965. Yeah. Oh my gosh. Thank you. And here's another one. Oh my gosh. Pooh, the Sweetest Christmas. Oh my gosh. I got on Unity. Made the mistake of going on Unity again, and they had an Eeyore stamp, Halloween, and Winnie the Pooh with piglets. So I ordered them alone. Oh my gosh. Thank you. Oh, this is so... Oh my gosh, there's more in here. What the heck? Cinderella. Oh, that's one of my favorites. Look how beautiful she is. Oh, so gorgeous. Oh, and I don't think I have any of these. Wow. Ooh, the girls will love this. They love them some Frozen. Oh, that's awesome. Thank you so much. Wow. Where did you find all those? I'm having a hard time finding them anymore. Okay. Ooh, some more washies. Oh, look at this one. Oh, that's gorgeous. Take note. Look at that. Dream big. There you go. Hello. Oh, these are gorgeous. What's this one? Never give up. That's right. Never give up. Don't do it. Life is better with a plan. There you go. Love this. But sometimes your plans don't come out. Just saying. I'm a testament to that. Ooh, look at this nice wide one. Love. Thank you. These will be... Be thankful. That's right. Oh my gosh. Thank you so much. Okay. What else have we got in here? She said she gave more unicorn. And oh, look at this. Go in my fall stash. Anybody? So I'm going to watch on HSN. Vianney Creates. I will leave a link. I've just been binge watching. I like watching her. She gets the products that are going to be on HSN Craft Day ahead of time. And, you know, because they only have a few minutes on the show, on HSN. Look at this. I love it. Oh, it looks like a backpack. Unicorn Magic coloring. Oh, this is cool. So anyway, Vianney reviews it, shows it to you, and makes something with you on it. So, oh, I'm gonna have to, oh my gosh. I don't have too many unicorn stickers. Look at this. This is adorables. Oh, I think I have, is that a whole different one on the purple background? Look at, oh my gosh. What's the history behind unicorn? I mean, where did this come from? I don't know. I'll have to look it up. If you know. Oh, I was going to buy another one because I need one for a short one and I can't find it. How did you know? For my girlies. I might go over there a little early. This has been the longest. I haven't been there since the 4th of July, so July 5th. So I guess it's only been a month, but I feel like it's been forever. I miss my girls. Oh, this is perfect. Thank you so much, honey. Oh, so she's... Oh, this is the one I've been looking for. Oh, my gosh. Look at this. Oh, gosh. Oh, good lordy. How fun is that? Look at him. Joe Cool. I don't think I have this one. And if I do, it's just too cute to not... Look at the back. I love it. And there he's on each one. Oh, that's cool. Oh my gosh. Look at him with his hat and his little backpack. Oh, this, oh, and oh, that is adorables. Oh, these are so cute. I just need to figure out what I want to do with them, right? I have a collection. I have a box of these. And now I need to figure out what to do with them all. What do you guys do with them? Besides collect them. Collecting them is half the fun. And I think I've shown this one. Yes, this is the whole gang. The other one is Snoop Doggy Dogg, but this one is the whole Peanuts gang. Thank you. Oh my gosh. I'm always looking up by the cash register on the shelves at the bottom. I don't know why they put them there. I look like I'm trying to steal something or something. Oh, look at... What was his pig pen? Oh my god. I don't remember her name. Or his. Sally, right? Yeah, I think so. Oh, look at it. Going to bed in his PJs. Oh, these are so cute. Look at this. Oh my gosh. Oh, I love them. They're just fun. Emma called and, well, she has her, it has, anyway, an old phone that she can just call people like me and her other grandparents. Oh, this is pretty. Thank you. Okay. Anyway, the whole thing she talked about was this, the two squishies she found. I said, you go all the way to Oregon on a place you've never been, and this is all I'm hearing about. What a nut. Oh, thank you. Thanks. I always have those. Okay. My gosh. How did you get all of this in here? Okay, so here's the inspiration sheet of that tag. And she sent me that flower. Oh my gosh. Where is this from? This is super cool. Look at this. Isn't that gorgeous? Wow. You must watch my videos. You know I love bees. Oh my gosh. This is so generous. Thank you so, so much. That is really sweet of you to do. Oh, look at this. Look at that. Oh my gosh. This is going in my bee stash. Well, thank you, honey. This is so, so sweet of you. I really appreciate it. You guys are so good to me. I really can't tell you how much I appreciate it. Each and every one of you, and thinking of me, and watching my videos, and leaving me comments. I feel very blessed to have this channel. I'm just a little fishy in a big pond, but I kind of like it that way, because then I have time to answer the comments, and I don't feel overwhelmed by them and stuff. And I just really like the connections and friendships I've made through this little YouTube community. So I mean it when I say I really appreciate it. Oh, look at this. Is this supposed to go with that? Look at this. Okay. All right. Miss Nikki, thank you so much. This is my next project. I'm going to work on this. I am going to work on coloring her in. Oh my gosh. I love it. And then putting her... Look at the tag. It's all decorated, ready to go. Okay, that's my next project. All right, you guys, take care. Nikki, thank you, thank you, thank you. Oh my gosh, look at all this. So this could go... Is this the same? Sorry, I keep rambling. You can get off of here now. Yeah, that's the same font. Okay, okay. Very cool. Okay, here we go. All right, you guys, take care, and I'll talk to you soon. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.